Imagine entering a place where money grows every day. Some people become millionaires, but most people lose their savings. That place is the stock market. Statistics show 90% of beginners lose money. Only about 10% of beginners consistently make profits. But why does this happen? Is the stock market a scam? Is it gambling? Or are beginners making serious mistakes? In this video, we will understand what the stock market really is. Learn how beginners should start investing and the biggest mistakes they make. If you watch this video completely, you'll understand the truth about the stock market. So let's begin.
First, let's understand the basics. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you become a small owner of that company. For example, if a company has 10 million shares and you buy 10 shares, you own a tiny part of that business. Companies sell shares to raise money so they can grow their business. Investors buy shares hoping that the company will grow and the share price will increase in the future. If the company performs well, the stock price usually rises. If the company performs badly, the stock price falls. This is the basic idea behind the stock market. Many people enter the stock market because they want financial freedom. They see stories of people becoming rich through investing. Some investors started with small money and built huge wealth over time. But beginners often misunderstand something important. The stock market is not a place to get rich quickly. It is a place where wealth grows slowly with knowledge, discipline, and patience. People who understand this succeed. People who ignore this usually fail.
Another thing beginners must understand is the difference between investing and trading. Investing means buying stocks for the long term. You hold the stock for many years while the company grows. Trading means buying and selling stocks frequently to profit from short-term price movements. Examples include day trading, swing trading, and options trading. Trading can be profitable, but it is also very difficult. Professional traders spend years learning charts, psychology, and risk management. Many beginners start trading without learning these skills, which often leads to losses. Another major mistake beginners make is investing without knowledge. They buy stocks based on tips from friends or social media. They do not analyze the company. They do not check financial statements. Without knowledge, investing becomes gambling. And gambling in the stock market almost always ends in losses. Gain knowledge before you invest wisely. One of the biggest reasons beginners lose money is greed. Many enter the stock market hoping to become rich fast. They believe they can turn a small amount into a large fortune quickly. This mindset pushes people to take risky trades. Instead of learning and investing carefully, they chase fast profits. But the stock market rarely rewards greed. Most of the time, greed leads to large losses. Patience is one of the most powerful skills in investing. Successful investors hold their investments for years. But beginners want profit immediately. If a stock does not move for a few days, they become impatient and sell it. Later, when the stock price rises, they regret their decision. The stock market rewards patience and punishes impatience.
The stock market is heavily influenced by emotions. Fear and greed drive many decisions. When the market is rising, beginners become excited and buy stocks at high prices. When the market starts falling, they panic and sell at low prices. This creates a common pattern. People buy high and sell low. And that is exactly how most beginners lose money.
The successful 10% of investors follow a different approach. They invest for the long term. They research companies before investing. They diversify their money across different investments. They control their emotions during market ups and downs. Most importantly, they keep learning and improving their skills. Knowledge and discipline are more important than luck.
The stock market is not a scam, but it is also not easy money. 90% lose due to greed and emotion. The 10% who succeed treat investing like a skill. They study, they stay patient, and they think long-term. Focus on learning first and profits later. In the stock market, knowledge is the most valuable investment. Thank you for watching, and continue learning about finance and investing.